today we are going to learn about the mirroring tool. The mirroring tool is a tool that we want to use when we have possibly a lot of intricate details that we are going to need to draw and that they're the same on both sides. And so oftentimes we will use this tool so that we have less work to do and that we want to make sure we copy that same thing onto the other side. So we're going to learn how to use this tool today. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to create my 2D sketch. So I have my basic part right there. I'm going to extrude it. Now again, part of the success of your part is going to depend on your details of your sketches. If you remember on the drawing part that I'm making, I need to put a hole into my part, and so I'm going to create a 2D sketch on the surface right here, and I'm going to draw my point so that I can drill my hole into my part. I'm going to make sure that it's dimensioned. So all the things that we've learned in the past on how to use our tools and how to make accurate drawings, we're going to be using those strategies. The more you know about your drawing that you're creating, the easier this is going to be and the quicker it's going to be. So I have my basic part here. So I have my basic half of my part that I'm going to draw. Now the one thing that I'm going to do as well in this particular tutorial is just to show you how to fillet or round the edges. It's a real simple tool, but it kind of sometimes helps to make sure that things are safe, especially for a therapeutic toy. We want to make sure its edges are oftentimes rounded. Now you can change the size of that rounded edge if you want to. I'm just going to leave it at 0.25. And so there I have my filleted edges. I'm going to apply that. And so there you can see I basically have my part. Now what I'm going to use my mirroring tool. So I'm going to kind of get that centered so you can kind of see what I'm going to do. So right here is the mirror tool. It's in the pattern block. What we're going to do is I'm going to select it, and this box pops up. You'll notice it's on feature right away, so I'm going to select my feature. Now if I just selected the main shape of my item that I drew and then select the mirror plane, meaning the plane at which I'm going to attach the copy to, and I select that surface, you'll notice that it copied the main shape, but it didn't copy the hole, it didn't copy the filleted edges, because I didn't select those features. So I want to make sure that you understand, and so I'm going to go back out to the process to make sure you understand how to go ahead and mirror the entire shape that you just created. I'm going to select the mirror tool. I make sure that it's on features, and I select all of the features that I want to copy. So notice I select the hole, I select the filleted edges, I select the entire shape, and then I'm going to select the mirror plane and choose the surface in which I want to attach the copy to. So I'm going to attach it to that surface and then say OK. And so there is my part that I have. There's my bracket that I'm going to use for my toy, and I have it all built. The last thing I'm going to do is just select the color. I think I had light red. And there you go. So there's my part that I have for my file. I use the mirror tool, so I only did half the work, and then the computer did the other half for me. If I had a lot more intricate detail to a drawing or anything else, or to a part that I had to create, I definitely would want to use this tool. It reduces my workload, and I can make sure that the sides are the same. If you have any questions on how to use this tool, or you're not sure if you need to use this tool or not, make sure you go ahead and ask in class, and I can help you out. I'll see you later. Bye.